Hey folks, your OS Reviews. You're watching our video review of the SwitchEasy Clockwork. This is an avant-garde hardshell case for the iPhone 4, 4S, 5, and 5S that retails for under $35 through the manufacturer's website. It's fairly inexpensive for a case that has a really striking design to it, and it's crafted out of a polycarbonate material, which means that if you chip the case, the color underneath will remain the same. It comes in a few different colors. We have the gold version here. It also comes in bronze, and you also have some accessories in the packaging that correspond to a screen protector and some protective accessories that prevents any dust from getting into the headphone ports and also the charging ports. There's also a microfiber cloth included inside the casing as well to remove any dust or debris that might land on the phone's case. So again, the actual design is very, very cool just because it has a three-dimensional look to it. All the rotors and gears has this interesting pattern on the back that looks, again, very steampunk-like, and this is one of the cooler designs we've seen for the iPhone 4 and 4S. You can also see this is the manufacturer that created the melt case, which is our personal favorite as of now in terms of iPhone cases, just because it's so cool and works so well. Opening up the packaging from the sides, we can reveal the actual iPhone case and all the accessories on inside. Here you have access to all the accessories, which include the screen protector, as well as the protective accessories for the actual headphone ports and also the 30-pin adapter, because we have the 4 and 4S version here. It's also colored bronze to match the color tone of the actual case, which shows a lot of attention to detail, and you can simply attach these if you're traveling or going out into a place with a lot of dust. And again, this is the card that you use to apply the screen protectors onto your unit. It's a very thin screen protector and also the actual microfiber cloth. That's basically all the accessory you have in the actual packaging. The case itself is indeed crafted out of polycarbonate and feels nicely constructed. Even though it is plastic, it's a very durable plastic. The frame has a lot of malleability to it, so if you drop this device, it's going to absorb a lot of shock and prevent your product from getting damaged and also your phone from getting cracked. On the back here, you have access to the actual back plate for the avant-garde inspired Clockwork case, and you can see it's a pretty durable and thick design going on, which means that it's pretty easy to use and also very, very durable. It's not going to damage your iPhone. You simply insert the iPhone. We have a mock version here. Our current one is actually in the melt case, and you simply insert it into the frame. It fits pretty snugly. It's not going to drop or anything. Just like a regular bumper, it has the protective edges on the sides. And finally, you slide on the back cover. There is a bit of a hinge that easily slides up. It's very smooth and it feels nicely designed. And you have access to your camera grill, you have access to your controls, your volume rockers, your headphone ports, and everything is fully protected 360 degrees. There's also a bit of a lip on the very top. So if you do want to place the case face down, it's not going to accidentally scratch on any surface, which is another plus. Now, there are a few cons and drawbacks to this particular case. For one, the corners on these sides are a little bit sharp, so whenever you're holding it, it's not the most comfortable case in the world, as some other reviewers have pointed out. As opposed to something like the melt case, which is rounded and really soft and easy to hold, this one is not as easy to grip. So at the end of the day, I have to say that the Clockwork case for the iPhone 4, 4S, 5, 5S by SwitchEasy is another well-designed and well-crafted case. It has an amazing design, but at the end of the day, it's not the most practical case in the world just because it's not the most comfortable one to hold. Still, if you are interested in the design, it's very well crafted, has a great set including a screen protector and dust protectors in the packaging, and for the cost of $35, it's one of the better values out there. To check out more details about this case, be sure to read our full review on our website, but this has been our video. Thanks for watching here at OS Reviews.